They don't want us to light this son bitch.
No, they just want to make sure that you don't spend all that money and that the fuse don't work. That's all. Oh, there it is. An exposed fuse. Can you see that?
All right.
There it is. All right. 1, 2, 3. Holy Christ! It's got a grand finale and everything. Wow, dude! Ow. You're in trouble! He's in trouble.
That's a hell of a lot better than I thought.
It's got a grand finale, I think. Get out of here.
That was pretty cool.
That was awesome. Is it all empty?
You'll find out in a minute if it blows up in your face.
Nope, that's it.
Dude, we left a cloud of smoke.
I know. You did.